Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I made Thai green curry. The ingredients are listed in the description box. First is to make the paste by combining cilantro roots, cilantro leaves, coriander seeds, cumin, lemongrass, green chilies, ginger, onions, garlic, white pepper, shrimp paste, and salt. Then pulse it until it becomes a paste. Next is to heat an oil into a pan and slightly toast the green curry paste that you made. Then toss in chicken thigh meats and cover it with a paste. Once it's fully covered, you may now pour in coconut milk. Then stir continuously until it's well blended. After stirring, make sure to simmer and slightly reduce the coconut milk. Then toss in your choice of vegetables. I chose potatoes, carrots, and a stalk of lemongrass. Allow it to simmer again for 10 to 15 minutes while covering the lid. Then add chicken bouillon cube dissolved in water. Then close it again and wait for it to simmer. Finally, to season the curry, add in brown sugar, followed by fish sauce, and kaffir lime leaves. Then wait for it to simmer again for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you may now serve it. Enjoy!